Here's how to remove the arrows from desktop shortcut icons in Windows 10. Open the search bar and type regedit. Open Registry Editor and click Yes. Navigate to HKey Local Machine, then Software, then Microsoft, then Windows, then Current Version, then Explorer. Right-click on Explorer, select New, then Key, and name it Shell Icons. Inside Shell Icons, right-click, select New, then String Value, and name it 29. Double-click on 29, and in the Value Data field, type exactly this: %windir% \system32 \shell32.dll, -50. Click OK. Now open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Find Windows Explorer in the list, right-click it, and select Restart. The arrows will immediately disappear from all your shortcut icons. To bring them back, simply delete the 29 string value and restart Windows Explorer again. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.